The last 5 minutes are the worst. It's 2:30. It's so gorgeous. Hold up. Let me get to the point. That's just no bueno. She's so cute. I'm just so self-centered and egotistical. Yay, go me. Perfect. Yeah, I'll say it in 100 ways. Please believe me when I say I'm sorry. Guys, I'm at the new lalaland reserve. I got the swaz. It's like a salted brown butter, brown sugar latte. It's so good. Like, I hope it's the right one. I think it's like a low-key one of the best like lattes I've ever had. I also got a croissant, of course. Oh my god. Okay, we don't know what it is. Oh, it is the brown. I'm pretty sure it's the brown. Okay. Hey queens, good morning. I was up so late last night, so I woke up so late. It's 10:42. It's not that late, but like we gotta get to work, you know? I'm so tired. But luckily, I have my coffee. Okay, anyway, I literally just made an iced black coffee. Americano, espresso with water, some cinnamon powder. Yeah. Always. I'm telling you, he does not come here until I start speaking. It's like a thing. He's jealous or something. Anyway. I just like, there's a lot of liquids going on. I got my water, I got my coffee. My stomach hurts. Someone said that I need to drink water before I drink my coffee. So I've been trying to drink at least half of the awala before I start drinking my coffee. And I already did that. But now my stomach is like full with water. It's hard to drink this. But I have to chug this because I gotta go do my workout and I need that little energy. Anyway, it's Tuesday. No, is it Wednesday? I don't know. The days are blending. Let me just get to the point. I'm gonna go do my workout. I've been doing my 10:30 actually, every single morning, and it's making me feel so amazing. I just get in, get out, 30 minutes, and I can just get the workout done out of the way in the morning and then not have to think about it ever again. Until the next morning at least. But anyway, I will see you at the gym. The last 5 minutes are the worst. Just gotta get it through. Listen guys, I really want matcha. I haven't made matcha in a long time. I already got my whisk out. But then I look at the time and it's 2:30, which means that I cannot have my matcha anymore because I will be up all night. Ugh, I'm so sad. I really wanted my matcha, but I'm like really sensitive to caffeine, like the length of caffeine, if that makes sense.
Basically, if I drink it too late in the day, like I literally cannot sleep. I don't get any jitters or anything like that, but it's just
the length of the caffeine just stays in my system and I just cannot sleep. So I decided that instead of matcha, we're gonna make hojicha. And it's perfect because I have hojicha. Where is it? Yes. I have the matcha full roasted green tea powder, aka hojicha. I really like the flavor of this. It's so good. I've had this for a long time, so I hope it's okay still. It's kind of like at the end of the bottle, but maybe I can just use this up. And I just spilled it over my counter, but It's fine. Anyway, let's make this. So while my water is boiling, I'm gonna portion out my hojicha. I got this bowl. It's so gorgeous. It's from J Studios. The owner actually sent this bowl to me as a gift, and it's just the most gorgeous thing ever. And like, it's so cute. Anyway, let's get to it. Hello, we have our hojicha here. I made Americano. I've never actually tried it in an Americano version. Hopefully it's good. Hold up. That's good. Dare I say I like it better than a matcha Americano. It has like a chocolatey, kind of like roasty flavor to it. Kind of reminds me of oolong without the caffeine. Wow, that's really good. Okay, I'm gonna have to make more of this, but I really can't because I just finished up my tin. I'm gonna have to go buy some more. But anyway, that's delicious. Let's like go over what we have to do today, shall we? Because it's 2:40. So it's getting a little late in the day. But anyway, I gotta do my thumbnail as usual. And I need to do some edits for some brand deals that I have, you know? And then I also have to edit all of these videos that are needing to be done like ASAP because I'm going to Asia in literally 2 weeks. And if I don't get these videos done, then I'm gonna have to edit during my Asia trip, and that's just no bueno because I want to enjoy Asia and focus on filming. Anyway, let me get to the point. Again, I gotta get to work. Let's do my thumbnail. I started last night a little bit, but I need to finish it up today. Let's get to work. Okay guys, I finished my thumbnail. Look, she's so cute. Oh my god. I like was a little bit worried because I didn't have a selfie to put in it, you know.
Because I'm just so self-centered and egotistical.
But it turned out good. Let me show you. Look how cute. Like, oh my goodness. Of course, I had to put myself in there. We got the gorgeous community goods. Oh my god. I want that right now. Also, this brownie's fire. Okay. We got the Mickey waffle, our little photo album that we did. This is the vibe. I love her. But anyway, she's done. She's finished. I'm so proud of myself. I'm gonna export her and then I send it to my laptop and my phone. For my laptop, I just upload it to YouTube Studio. And then the reason why I have it on my phone is because when I do like marketing for my vlog every Saturday, I will post a story and have the thumbnail on the story. I'm sure you guys have seen it if you follow my Instagram. If you don't, what the heck are you doing? Follow my Instagram, link in description. But yeah, thumbnail's done. Yay, go me. Now let's get on with the rest of my to-do list. Taste test it, of course. Perfect. I love making miso soup, especially when it's cold and I just want like a cozy meal. Look how good that looks. have my delicious bowl of miso soup. Miso soup, miso yummy. Okay. Cheers. I love making miso soup whenever I have leftover vegetables because I can just throw anything in there. It's really good with cabbage too. And also like so easy to make for no reason at all. I love it. Like miso paste, is that the same as chicken bouillon? Like, is there an equivalent to miso but like chicken version? Because I would love to make like chicken broth without having to boil bones over and over again.